Oh, Fitzy, what are you doing there, mate?
Oh, just, you know, the average, the usual.
So what are we doing with this BMW? Well, are we got to weld it up?
Well, see now, I lost my, you know, the special tool for, you know, getting them out. So we're just going to weld some nuts on there.
So we're going to M14 nut.
Well, this one's been pre-welded for us, and I think it's not good. We're going to get a new one. You got it? Yeah. Seems right about there. Fuck, I don't have this shit. Oh my fuck, I've got Parkinson's nearly.
Okay, yeah, hold it there, bud. Steady.
Yeah, I forgot how loud a MIG welder is, eh?
So we got the M14 nut there, and we put it over the lock nut thingy, and then fill her up with weld, and she just comes right off, eh, bro?
Yeah. That's the one. That's how I like it. So as you can see, we got nice tacks in there. Beautiful welds.
This is like BMW issue. So they should come from the factory.
Yeah, we should.
Are they your driving shoes, bro?
Yeah, these are my race shoes, bro.
Vans race shoes?
Yeah. You know how it is.
I like your race suit too, man.
Yeah. I was actually using this to work on the car the other day, so
Actually,
it's like
2 in 1.
2 in 1, yeah.
Wow.
I know. Some people are selfish like that. But,
So what sort of car you got here, Thomas?
you know, it's just a stock standard E39. You know, she's a big girl.
She's a big girl, so it's still got the stock handbrake.
Stock handbrake, yeah.
You've taken the spring out of the button, so that's a good start.
Yeah, mate.
We've got
Never been used.
XYZ coilovers.
Yeah.
So that's probably the only modification you got to this thing, isn't it?
Oh, and the manual box.
Oh, and the ZF gearbox. So there's one good thing.
Yeah.
ZF gearbox.
2 good things, mate. 2 good things.
Oh, 2 good things.
Yeah, those crawlers, these things are bang.
She's a big girl. How are you up there, Blakey?
Yeah.
Pretty good?
Yeah.
I'm so goddamn nervous, man.
Just take it easy, bro. Go for it.
Right.
Both of them.
You. Something ripped. Oh. Might have blown his radiator. Thomas is over.
Radiator or something?
Yep. Okay. Oh, Thomas needs to do a base bar, I think. Okay.
Give him a push on the grass.
So just a few quick repairs of the track for Thomas.
Oh, you almost did it again.
Yeah. Hey, you keep going. Yeah. Oh, easy. That's good. Yeah, that's good. That's good, yeah.
Hey? Yes. Is it?
Oh, video.
My man.
Oh,
Hey, it's going so well.
hey, it's still good.
That's still good.
Still good.
Sweet. She's a real missile now. Bro, that's honestly mean for his first game. He's like linking the whole track. Yeah, 3 wheels.
That's fucking awesome.
Oh, that's sick.
That's mean.
Oh, fuck, that's cool, man.
He's gonna be so stoked. Oh, he is a bit.
Yeah, this is Nova's day.
That's so sick.
Man, it's got a good, eh?
Oh, watch the cones.
Thomas is not watching where he's going.
He's doing good, man.
Oh, he's covered in.
Where's he going? Oh, something's smoking.
Oh,
Radiator gone again.
radiator's gone again.
Oh, look, he's just done pulling the whole way.
Oh,
Oh no. It's stuck coming out anyway.
It dumped it all the way around.
Yeah.
Look at the line.
Well, your first time driving on a track. God.
that was.
Holy Jesus.
Buff out.
I reckon I got off pretty easy.
Yeah. It's just hot.